Hello and welcome to my channel Elegance Makes Life Healthy and Beautiful. This is vitamin E capsule and it is very helpful for our skin, health and also for our hair. Now I am telling you how can we use this vitamin E capsule for our hair, for hair growth, for hair fall, for hair conditioner, split ends and also for dandruff, and also you can make a hair mask for your healthy hair. You can cut this vitamin E capsule with a scissor and squeeze out the fluid and you can use it. Or you can pinch a needle into this capsule and squeeze out fluid and use. And this vitamin E capsule is very helpful for our hair. For hair growth, take 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, lemon juice, almond oil and vitamin E capsule. Massage this mixture on your hair and scalp and leave it for 20 minutes. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Almond oil has omega-3 fatty acid that treat your hair loss and promote your hair growth. Vitamin E nourishes the scalp and hair that leads to prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. Lemon juice cleans your scalp. Aloe vera has the ability to increase blood circulation and that's why it increases the hair growth. So this hair pack is very effective for your hair growth. For hair fall, vitamin E is very helpful for hair fall. It gives complete nourishment to your scalp and hair. Use hot oil treatment for hair fall. Mix vitamin E capsule with hot coconut oil and massage it on your scalp. Leave it for overnight, then wash it in the morning. It also makes your hair soft. Vitamin E capsule for hair conditioner. Vitamin E can also condition your hair. You can use it as a natural conditioner after your hair wash with the shampoo. Vitamin E capsule for restoring shine of your hair. It gives a moisturization and nourishment to your dull and dry hair. Massage vitamin E oil on your hair and scalp to replenishes moisture in your hair. If you need something more, you can add olive oil and aloe vera gel with vitamin E capsule. For split ends. Split ends are occurred due to the damage of hair follicles. Vitamin E capsule has antioxidant that prevents free radicals that causes damage to your hair follicles. Add olive oil, almond oil and vitamin E capsule and massage on your scalp. It will improve blood circulation to your scalp and provides intense moisturization that repair your hair follicles and prevent split ends. For curing dandruff. For curing dandruff, take yogurt, lemon, aloe vera gel and vitamin E capsule. This pack is very helpful for dandruff. Yogurt and lemon has antibacterial and antifungal properties that cure dandruffs. Aloe vera gel has soothing and cooling properties that cools your itchy scalp. Aloe vera moisturizes your scalp that prevents dryness of your hair that causes dandruff. Vitamin E has antioxidant that repairs your damaged hair follicles and nourishes your scalp and thereby prevents your dandruff. For hair health, hair mask. To make this pack, need egg, curd, vitamin E, olive oil and lemon and make a mixture. Apply this pack on your scalp and hair and keep it for 30 minutes. Then wash it with good shampoo. Egg yolk is a natural conditioner. Curd has vitamin B5 and D and also has antibacterial properties so that It can reduce itchiness of your scalp. It strengthens your hair from root and makes your hair shiny. Olive oil moisturizes your hair and vitamin E repair your hair damage and makes it healthy. Vitamin E also nourishes your hair and reduce the inflammation of scalp. Lemon juice has antifungal properties that help to maintain scalp health. It controls oil production of scalp and stimulate regrowth from dormant hair follicles. So this pack is very effective and nourishing for hair. You can use this pack once a week